Hi, welcome to Yum's Cuisine Island Treasure Pot. If you enjoy different dishes from different cultures, ethnicities and countries, then this channel is for you. I suggest that you keep watching. Please take this time to like, share, comment and subscribe. Who say punch day? We have here today some rolled oats, Angostura bitter, black label rum, vanilla essence, Guinness, evaporated milk, condensed milk, peanut powder, peanut butter, a glass mug. You're gonna need your blender for this one, guys. We're making a peanut Guinness oat sponge. So I'm here with my blender, and to this I'm adding half cup soaked oats. Also 1 box evaporated milk, 1 bottle of Guinness, and guys, this is gonna be so good. You're gonna enjoy this. Your ladies are gonna enjoy the results. Some black label rum, about 1 tablespoon, some vanilla extract, about a tablespoon or a teaspoon, some Angostura bitters, guys, you need this in here, some peanut powder. Now if you don't have the peanut powder, you can use your food processor and crush the peanuts. You also have here some peanut butter. You can use the smooth peanut butter or the crunchy peanut butter, your preference, once you get that peanutty flavor in there. And you must add that condensed milk, that sweetened condensed milk. I'm just gonna blend this all together. And now we're gonna top this off with some freshly grated nutmeg. About a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons would be just enough. So I'm just going to cover this back and blend once more, and that's it. Now that my punch is completed, I'm going to transfer it into my glass mug, and I'm going to set this in my refrigerator to come to a really nice temperature where I can enjoy this punch without any addition of ice. I want it just as smooth, thick and creamy as it is now. So my punch is at the perfect temperature. Look at how thick, rich and creamy this punch is. Delicious. You guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. Please try it. Give it to all your friends, family, neighbors, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, comment down below. To my subscribers and potential subscribers, thank you for the support. Bye.